For my thesis, I wanted to do something that allowed art and design to be more accessible for a lot of people and to allow them to express themselves more. I've always found that I express myself through my clothing, so it makes sense for me to try to find a way to make some clothing that I enjoy more accessible. I'm a big fan of streetwear, and I would like to release a streetwear brand and some streetwear collections. The reason that I'm so focused on that is that our current streetwear, the current state of streetwear, is at a point where price is valued above much else and exclusivity is king. So Supreme is very well known for this. It's an $168 sweatshirt that says Supreme, and it's almost always sold out. What this does is it creates a sense of prestige for those who have something like this, but that is a kind of prestige that's only afforded to people who can spend $168 or $100 on a beanie or $200 on a bag. And that's kind of a limiting factor for people who might not necessarily have that much access to income but still want to be able to express themselves with their clothing. So I've been exploring the gum brand over the summer. I've been making some promotional posters, some t-shirts designs, along with trying to expand my style and do a little bit more with what I'm doing. But I haven't yet nailed down a specific identity, which is good for me because I can create one in this project. So my plan for the project is to create one collection per month, have 5 shirts in each collection, and have 4 total collections. These collections would be themed collections, such as Japanese-themed, German-themed, postmodern, and we'll get into that a little bit later. But the idea here is to be able to generate a large amount of design that will consistently be rolling over. The largest aspect of my clothing brand that makes it accessible is that these collections will be only available for 1 month. They will not be available after that. I did that as a way to supplant high price as a filter for exclusivity. Instead, I'm using time as the filter, meaning you can only get a shirt in this amount of time. That exclusivity is valuable, but because it's only for a certain amount of time, the inventory that I would require to make these shirts would be smaller, and so therefore the price could be reduced and they could be more accessible to more people. I would also like to make a promotional poster per collection, mostly because I really enjoy doing that, and I think it would be a great way to kind of flex my skills a little bit more and expand what I'm doing a little bit more. So in regards to the themes, this is where I'm the most wishy-washy. I have yet to nail down a consistent, focused group of themes because I have a lot on my mind. I have a lot of appreciation for art movements like the Art Deco movement. I have a lot of appreciation for natural design, such as Swiss or German design. Speaking of national design, I am a big fan of Japanese design as well, but I could also find a great amount of interest in a little bit more postmodern, a little more Dada, and even more postmodern, more contemporary, and almost innovative to the future kinds of designs. So my plan of attack and my necessity is to nail down these collections and then start working on some t-shirts.